Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily or quick analysis. As we actually done with our yesterday's weekly analysis, go check that. As I think is gonna actually help. Here, I'm just going to do some quick analysis, which means I will be very quick because also there is no a big of a change, right? So on the economic calendar or before we go there, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and we left with 6 days before this special ends. So we are going to go on our normal prices, which are going to be this ones. If you pause that video, we'll see that those prices are actually our normal prices, but at the moment, as we have the special, these are our prices actually. So, and this Friday actually I won't be, let's say this week, going around Thursday, Friday there, I won't be available. I won't be that available, guys. I will be busy with some other things. Yeah, but I will update you with some analysis. Don't worry if you are part of the team. So now on the economic calendar, what's really happening? We can easily see that tomorrow, as today there's nothing, tomorrow Fed Powell is going to speak. So I hope maybe you understand this. Let's say Powell will be testifying this month because month end there is FOMC rates or interest rates from the US. So there is a chance that they might cut or they will not cut. But what I know is we are going to be controlled by CPIs, core CPI, PPI, retail sales. Around 31st there, I think we're going to have interest rates. So this month is going to be quite busy also. So every statement that is going to say some stuff, whatever that is going to say there, going to be very important. But the most important thing is the results that we get from these events. They are going to control whether they are going to cut the rates or not. But we saw CPI's retail sales last month. Things were cooling off very nice, and we actually like that, right? So last Friday, we also saw the same thing. NFP, it was slowly going down, which was a very, very good thing. So as you can see, tomorrow around 4, Powell testifies. Interest rates from New Zealand on Thursday, core CPIs, that is going to be very important, and core PPI on Friday. So we are going to check that and make sure that we don't really miss anything. You see, so what's happening? Where we are on dollar index. Let's zoom that. So we can see that, yeah, the market is actually coming from this. Or let me just make it a bigger time frame. I think it's going to be way too visible. Let's see. I think I need to upgrade my equipment. I need 4K monitor just to fit everything here nicely. So yeah, this is what we have. You can see that on top here we have a very nice resistance, but we also have another one there. Do you see that? That is also an area that we can call a very nice resistance where the market actually respected that level. Do you see that? But on the bottom side, we see that the market has this diagonal structure. We have this diagonal resistance area that the market can respect and go even higher. Or maybe the market is willing to reach this level here. Do you see that? Let me use a thicker one. You can see here, the market did touch that level very nice. So there is a chance that the market can respect this horizontal support area before going even higher. That is possible. And by it going down, it means the dollar, as this is a dollar index, on the other pairs, it will be selling. But we will see that nicely on our CPI. If the CPI results are going to go down, that will be good. We are going to look for some very nice bullish moves on Nasdaq, gold, and the other pairs that are going against the dollar. So let's push to the next one. Which is GBP USD. We are already on that resistant area. You can see that. So the question is, will the market break out of that? If the market breaks out of that, we are going to look for that buy. Let's go on a 4 hours time frame. Remember, this is a quick analysis. I don't really have to take the whole day here, as you can go watch my previous analysis that I've done yesterday. So you can see that the market is exactly on the resistance area. So we can maybe draw it there, but I think we can just make it thick like that, because we don't really want to make this like it's nothing. So it's also under our resistance area. So once the market gets out of that, yes, we can say it's time for us to look for that buy, or maybe the market will reverse and maybe we will get that consolidation. That is also possible. That is possible. It is possible. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be gold. We smashed gold, very nice, and it seems like it's bouncing back. But the overall structure here, you can see that we are coming from this nice wedge structure. The market was respecting these areas, and we saw a breakout, some few retests, and now the market seems to be going back straight to our entry. But what we're going to do now is just going to remove this. We are going to mark at this level. Let me take out that. I think the market has these two chances actually. It's up to the market to respect this area. You can see this level there. Oh, sorry. Let me just also mark. You see where the market reversed? So that is also our potential resistance. You see that? There is a potential resistance there, over there, you see. So now that's fine. So the question is, will the market reach this level and bounce back, as we can see a structure there? Or maybe the market will be bouncing towards where we had the first breakout and start to go higher. So we'll see that, so that we don't really miss that. But here, nope, we can't do that. We bought there around that level. Why? Because it was a little bit above this breakout, and yeah, we did make something out of that, but now it's a different story. Now we want to wait for something like that. Maybe the market will continue breaking that, or maybe it will consolidate. So it's up to the market. At the moment, yes, we are looking for a continuation of a very nice uptrend. It seems like inflation in the US it's slowly going down. So US30, I still repeat, US30, I think is going to catch up with Nasdaq, even though it's happening quite slower, but I think that will happen. At the moment, you can see that, yeah, we are coming from a very quick consolidation structure. The market broke out of that, and even here, the market is actually consolidating. So once we see a breakout there, I will definitely jump on that buy. But at the moment, the market is just consolidating. There is nothing we can do. Wait for the market to touch the support area before we look for a buy, or let's wait for a breakout on our resistance. I hope that makes sense. And if it makes sense, smash that like, smash that subscribe button. So now we are on Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100, what's really happening? A very nice bullish move here, and it's still continuing. You can see our entry last week. So it did not really move that much. So something that moved it was actually gold, but Nasdaq, it was on a profit, but not actually a crazy move. And just know that since we expect CPI this week and few of the economic news, most likely the market won't just go crazy. The market might just end up consolidating before we see a very nice push to the upside, because CPI is also a very, very important economic news, as it measures inflation, or the prices of goods prices. And if the prices are going up, if inflation is going up, that means there is enough chance that Federal Reserve or Federal Reserve Committee to increase the rates, or to hold the rates where they are. Already they are very high, and that is not really good for the stock market. But what we have here is the market just broke out of that structure. So I'm expecting a very nice push to the upside. So yes, I can say I'm still confident to say the market can still go higher, as we are not really far from our support area. Yes, the market might come back around. Let's just get working an average move that we can expect. Okay, I think somewhere there, somewhere there. So that can be an area that can be our next resistant area. And sometimes the market moves like that. Or let me just give you an example. You see that thing that I've drawn, that block, this thing I called an average move. Let me change the color so that you can see it nicely. Let's make it yellow. Oh, it's yellow, it's orange, but it's yellow. So let me try to duplicate that. You can see we had a nice move there. I think it's very, this is very, very opacity should be going low. It's fine. So that you can see also the candlesticks. Let me place it nicely. These blocks, they can actually help you to understand. This is some stuff that I teach also on my mentorship. See, just look at that moves. They're moving very perfect. So there is a chance that the market can repeat itself moving like that. And when you check, it's not like it started there. When I say the market might reach that level, no. Even from here, we had quite similar moves. And that makes sense. That to me makes sense. Let me change that. And I want to show you. This is our resistance support. Resistance support. Resistance support. And there we go. We see also here. So that gives us you can easily see that, oh no, the market is moving like that, man. Let me check a very nice. You can see when the market is doing this type of moves. So we expect something like that to happen. Do you see that? And mostly this is what the market gives us. And maybe you don't really see that. But if you know that the market moves with this type of a pattern, yeah, you can miss some few moves, but you can miss everything. Né? But if you want to learn, for those who wants to learn, because you can't just wake up knowing all these things, and some people, they just think they will just know stuff by watching. No, you can't. So you have to learn. You have to actually learn, and that is not really a secret. For you to master everything, you have to learn. So our mentorship, guys, is actually $350, and I'm $350. Change the color. It's $350 for 6 months. 3 months theoretical part and another month actually practicals, which means I will make sure that you are profitable if you want to learn from me. But for those who just want the signals, if you already understand the market here and there, those are our prizes, which it's actually a special, which ends this weekend on Sunday. So if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. Then yeah, we can start to eat together. So yeah, on Nasdaq, I think it's just quite straightforward. I'm just waiting for the market to do its thing around there. So this is going to be our potential resistance there. Do you see that? So I think this, for now, this is enough. Let's see if maybe we can have something. Maybe on US oil. Okay, US oil, let's see. On US oil, guys, we can easily see that we are coming from a very nice downtrend structure. What we have now is a very nice structure showing us that it's about to go higher. So it means we expect the market to continue like that. So where we are, we also have a nice support. I was expecting to see a nice reversal. So we already have a buy pending order, which is not really triggered. So once the market triggers that, we will be actually eating. But it's Monday. Let's relax. Sometimes the market can be quite slow. So if you enjoyed what you see here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I really appreciate whoever who's watching this video. So thank you very much. I'll see you on the later on. So remember, Thursday, Friday, not really going to be that available, but I will just keep updating you very, very, like every day. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.